Myth: meteorites land on Earth blazing hot.
A common belief is that meteorites crash to Earth as fiery, glowing rocks. Popular movies and TV shows often depict them engulfed in flames. But does this really happen in most cases? Let's look at what science says about the temperature of meteorites when they reach the ground.
Fact: most meteorites arrive cold or cool.
The truth is, the vast majority of meteorites are cold or only slightly warm when they reach Earth's surface. Their outer layers can get hot as they travel through the atmosphere, but this heating only lasts a few seconds and affects just the outer millimeter. The interior remains insulated by this thin crust.
Why don't meteorites stay hot?
As a meteorite races through the upper atmosphere, it heats up rapidly, but also loses much of its mass. The intense friction causes the outside to melt and burn away. However, this process is incredibly brief. Once the meteorite slows down, the heat is quickly lost, and the cold from space remains inside.
First-hand reports: cool to the touch.
There are many eyewitness accounts from people who have recovered meteorites soon after they land. Most say the rocks are barely warm, sometimes even covered in frost. This is because meteorites spend far longer in the deep cold of space than they do getting hot in the atmosphere.
The real threat: not heat, but impact.
Meteorites don't usually burn anything they touch. The true hazard is the force of their impact, not their temperature. Large meteorites striking at high speeds can cause damage, but the rocks themselves are not fiery projectiles that set the ground ablaze when they land.